Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a declutter video. It's that time of year when everyone is decluttering and there are a few spaces in my house that are in desperate need of attention. So today I thought I would clean and organize all of them. So it's going to be our pantry, our junk drawer, some of our shoe cabinets, our closets and our bathroom as well. So I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big like, and if you're new around here, I would love you to subscribe for more content like this. But first up, we're going to start out in our primary ensuite. This is only about a year or two old. We absolutely love the design. We're so pleased with it, but it's definitely getting a bit disorganized, especially in the cupboard. So first off, I'm just going to get rid of all the dirty towels and face cloth, and then this is what I mean by getting a bit disorganized. I just really need to declutter it. I also want to wash out the storage containers themselves because they have got pretty messy. I love the clear storage that we have under here. It just works really well for all of the small products. So I'm actually going to put all of them into the dishwasher on a quick cycle, just like a 30-minute one, to get them really nice and clean. So yeah, I'm taking out all of my skincare. I've got face masks in here, brushes, like random things have found their way into this cupboard. And then I'm also going to do Matt's as well. I'm going to just empty all of his stuff into the sink, and then I'm going to let him come in and have a look at anything he wants to get rid of or put in a different place, etc. So yeah, some of his storage was pretty messy. So all of this, as I said, is just going to be popped into the dishwasher while I'm doing the rest of this room. I'm going to wipe it all out as well. I'm using my favorite surface spray for this. So I'm just going to wipe all of that. And then I'm also going to wipe the sinks down and the countertops as well once I've put everything into categories. So I've got face masks, I've got skincare, I've got deodorant, I've got razors, and then when I put all of the storage back in, there will be some kind of like organization in there. So if I'm gonna give all of this area a nice wipe down and just clean it, I need to make sure that I get behind the sinks as well, because that very small bit behind the sinks gets quite dusty. I'm also upgrading my toothbrush, so I thought I would show you the new one that I've got. I've always taken pride in my teeth and my smile, and in the past couple of years you've probably seen on this channel that I have corrected my teeth, and I just really want to keep them nice. So I have a new toothbrush here, and I'm constantly flossing and worrying about my oral hygiene. And the most annoying thing about my old toothbrush is the terrible battery life. It is constantly running out. I'm always having to recharge it. If we go away, I have to take a charger with us, and it's actually just a pretty clunky design as well. So I have upgraded to the Suri toothbrush, which is this one. I love the colors that are available as well. I went for a sage green, whereas Matt's got like a steel blue, and they just look really nice. It's actually a sonic electric toothbrush with a really slim design, and it is made to be the last toothbrush that you will ever need. So it gives you a really powerful clean, but it also has minimal impact because Suri is a sustainable carbon neutral brand, and each component on the toothbrush is either reusable, repairable, or truly recyclable. The heads on this toothbrush are actually plant-based and they're recyclable, and as I said, all the parts are repairable. But one of the best features about this toothbrush for me is the incredible battery life. You get 40 plus days of battery life, and it comes with a really cool case which is super compact and perfect for travel, but it also cleans your toothbrush with UV light, so it sterilizes your toothbrush, it keeps the bristles bacteria free, and when you pop it in the case, it also charges the toothbrush, so you can put it in, recharge it while it also is cleaning, which is genius. And it looks so nice in the bathroom. It also comes with like a little mirror mount, which is super easy to pop onto the mirror. I just stuck it on, and it's magnetic, so the toothbrush easily just pops onto it. It's really secure as well, clears up your counter space, and I just think it looks so cute, and it just looks so nice with our interiors. And my teeth feel super clean, and I'm just so pleased with this toothbrush. So if you want to try out Suri, they've actually said that my followers can have a 20% off discount. So if you use the link in my description and the code, which is on screen now, then you can get 20% off for yourself. Yeah, but I'm so pleased. My teeth feel so clean. I should also mention that it does come with a normal charger as well, but I tend to pop it in the case. But yeah, it's just a really lovely design, and it's so nice that it's sustainable as well. Once the storage containers are all done in the dishwasher, I'm going to pop them back into the drawers and then start reorganizing my products. Although these drawers are small, they can hold a lot of products, which is good because we really like products. Even Matt, he's got a ton of skincare. He really knows his stuff when it comes to that. So this is how it's looking at the moment. So I'm going to make this container on the left mostly skincare. So all of my moisturizers, serums, masks, I've got a neck cream, I've got an eye cream, like I've got an exfoliant, all of that's going in there. In the right hand one, there's deodorant, fake tan, and my like masks. Then I've got teeth, top right, and then I've got like razors and things like that at the bottom there, and that is all done. And then Matt, obviously let him put his stuff away. I don't know where he wants things to go, so all of that's going back. He's got his nostril trimmer, he's got his hair, his razors, like moisturizer, all of that is going in there. And then this is an area I completely forgot about, and I thought I've got to show you guys how bad it's got. I think just things that I don't use that often I have been chucking under here, and it was definitely time to get rid of all of that, to find a place for it and reorganize. So I've moved it all, cleaned it all, and just like even vacuumed under there and had a really good sort out. So that is the bathroom, all nice and reorganized. Now I'm going to focus on our junk drawer. I've shared this on Instagram and people have said that it is the most organized junk that they've ever seen, because when we had our kitchen made, we knew we would want a drawer, you know, like the kind of one that you just chuck everything into. So we knew we'd need one, so we actually had some storage made at the same time for all of the small things like medicine that's downstairs, batteries, calculator, pens, glue, you know, like all the bits, school labels, things like that. So again, I'm going to take everything out of this drawer, give it a really good wipe down. I've got so many birthday candles and things like that. They all do really come in handy, but it definitely needs a good sort out. So I'm going to take it out, wipe it all down, and then put it all back in some kind of order.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 왠지 견내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야.
Yay, so that is looking so much more organized. We've got the kids' labels. Those scrapey things are for carpets and stairs. We've got batteries, rubber bands. I actually found 12 different rolls of tape from Christmas in here. I've got Matt's onion goggles, which he always needs. There's some tools, things like that. It is all organized now. I've got some loose change, etc. So I'm so happy that is all done and organized. Now I'm going to move on to our pantry, and on first glance you would think that this is a super organized pantry, but in the cupboards, like this is the dog cupboard, it's a little bit messy, and also the cans and the jars, there's a few bits just hanging out from Christmas as well. So I really want to take everything off of the shelves, reorganize it, give it a good wipe down, also stock up on anything we're running low on, and just like clean it and tidy it all up. So this storage is from a place called the Home Edit. You can extend it to however big your shelf is, so I really liked that, and I kind of wanted to display the jars and the cans so that I could see what everything is. So I've taken everything out. Nothing was really out of date, but I just kind of wanted to have a look at everything, wipe it all out, and then I'm going to pop that storage back in and then organize everything. So I'm going to put cans on the right, then I'm going to put jars on the left and just make it look a bit nicer. I've got so much pumpkin because I bought that for Thanksgiving and then I didn't end up making the pumpkin pie that I was going to. We've got loads of beans, we've got tuna, gravy, tomato, passata, stuff like that. And then on this side, as I said, I'm going to put jars, but I've got like distilled vinegar, I've got extra coffee, mayo, just all the usuals, and it all kind of fits in quite nicely. Then I'm also going to clear out our baking storage. So in here I've just got like flour, and actually our plain flour needed to be filled up, so I took out the old flour, put some more in, and then I'm topping it up on the top with the older flour. So we kind of use that first, and then I've got like chocolate chips, sprinkles, all of that is going to go back. And then I'm also going to clean out this one, which is like command hooks. I know I've got a whole thing on command hooks. Then we've got like raisins and nuts. Again, it's kind of baking, but it's also kind of like seeds and things like that, just giving it a quick tidy up. And I also wanted to clear out these drawers that are underneath our TV. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys these drawers, but they pretty much just have blankets in them, and then the ones closer to the door have shoes in them. They're so handy, but I cannot remember the last time I cleaned all of the blankets. The kids are constantly using them. I was trying to give one to Kiki here, had a little break and petted her, but I thought I would wash all of the blankets because I literally don't know when I last did, and the kids are always using them. So I'm going to wash them, and then I'm also going to clear out the other drawers. One of the drawers is just for show because behind it there is like a big what's it called, like steel, which holds the house up, so it's kind of like a fake drawer. But this one's really random. It's got the massage gun and some roller skate shoes, and then in these are all the shoes that the kids kind of like pop on before they go out into the garden. So there's like sliders, Crocs, random things in here, the boys' football boots, there's some dog toys, dog brushes, and actually these ones are really, really dirty, so they were desperate for a vacuum. I actually couldn't believe how much mud was in here. Maybe I should get like a little drawer liner for this, but I vacuumed it out. I'm going to wipe it out as well, and then I had a good sort out of the shoes because they tend to only need like one pair here, so I've had like a bit of a clear out, and then I'm going to pop back like one each, some hats, some gloves, the football gloves, etc. And I'm going to run upstairs and wash the blankets. I'm going to use the scent boosters because they make them smell so nice for so long. So that's all done, and then obviously I'll put them back. And while I was doing the other decluttering, Matt started on his side of the closet. It's really messy, our walk-in closet. I don't know if it was Christmas or it's just been a while, but he's got a ton of shoes, so he's going to reorganize all of his side, and he actually did it on time lapse because it was taking so long. But he's just going to have a look through his clothes and obviously get rid of anything he doesn't want anymore. We have recently discovered Vinted, and we have been selling anything that's like designer or, you know, in pretty good quality on Vinted. So we've done that with a few of his trainers, and I had a few things as well, and oh my gosh, I'm like obsessed now. So he's also going to wipe down this surface here. He normally puts his hats on this surface. Yeah, that was it. And then he's going to go through one by one through his clothes. Anything that's like Christmassy we can put into the loft, and there was obviously things to get rid of. Oh, he also wipes down his shoe storage. He's good. This looks amazing. So obviously that's his side, and then once I finished decluttering downstairs, oh, it looks lovely, Matt, really, really nice. But then it was my turn to do my side, and oh my gosh, you know when you start something you think, why did I start this? It's gonna just take forever. And I was actually doing this into the evening, so I'm pretty sure the footage is going to go dark in a minute. But I went through mostly, I got all of the Christmas stuff. I actually have so many Christmas jumpers and sequin things where I film a lot for Christmas, and we went out a lot, and I ended up taking everything out of the closet, giving this a good wipe down, and then I took everything out of the drawers as well, give it all like a good vacuum, and it was just actually so nice to properly sort this out. Now when I go into the closet, I can see everything, I can open the drawers and quickly find the leggings that I want. And although it was a pain, I am so glad that I finally did this. And I was listening to a podcast on my phone, so it was actually quite enjoyable. So yeah, loads more room in there now. I've got drawer dividers in my drawers, which make a huge difference. I just picked them up on Amazon, and yeah, I love them. You can like adjust the size of them. So that is it. And I have one more thing to show you. And the last thing that I wanted to show you in this video is this new unit. We're having a few new units made in this hallway, which are nearly done. But what I really wanted to show you are the top 2 drawers in this, because they are charging drawers. So when we had it built, we had our electrician run power to the top 2 drawers. So now there's loads and loads of power, and you can basically charge everything that you want to. We charge iPads, phones. These are my camera batteries, so I never run out of battery. Watches, like all the things that we need to charge. This one's got laptops at the moment, but you can see all of that power just there. And yeah, we're just so pleased with how these have turned out. So I just wanted to show you them, because basically there was loads of stuff always charging on the kitchen surface, and it was driving me crazy. So Matt came up with this idea, and I just love it. And this top bit is soon going to be my gift wrapping area. It's not done just yet, so I will save that. And then we've also got more drawers down here, which at the moment have like all my camera equipment and stuff. My office cupboards are nearly done, and then this kind of stuff will probably move into my office. But it's just great to have so much storage now. Right, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and it's motivated you to declutter. And don't forget to use my link in the description and my code Norris20 to get 20% off of the Suri toothbrushes. And thanks again. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.